In this video, I'm going to show you how to show that you're listening to a song on Spotify on Discord. So currently I'm in a server in Discord and you can see my name over here and it says not that I'm listening to Spotify, but when I launch Spotify and when I start playing this song, you can see that this is changed to listening to Spotify. So also the song, because it's Rockstar, it also changed to Rockstar, so everyone can see that I'm listening to this song. If you want to do this yourself, the only thing you have to do is you have to go to the user settings, go to connections, and you can connect Spotify to your Discord account. You have to log in and you have to enter your password, and then you have to enable that anyone can see that what you're listening on Spotify. It's actually very simple. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.